What's up guys, KG, RoughToBeBuffTV. We're back with another exercise tutorial today. We are talking about the Trap Bar Deadlift. The first variation is the classic touch and go. Everybody starts off with touch and goes. They're probably the easiest to learn. And then we'll go into different variations as this video goes on. A few things: feet below the hips, the chin is tucked, your neck is aligned with your spine, you're sitting your hips back and down. You can see that my eyes are not up, they are down. That's going to keep good spinal and neck alignment. At the bottom of the lift, my hands are right in the midfoot, and I'm driving the bar away from the ground, standing tall at the top, finishing through the hips. Let's talk about bad spine position here. This is bad spine position. That's not being able to depress our shoulder blades back and down. So I'm gonna go through a few crappy reps, and you can see what bad spine position looks like, and then I'm going to show you what good spine position looks like. Is when you kind of get this wrinkles in the shirt. See the wrinkles in the back of my shirt? Shoulders are depressing back and down. This is crappy position, good position. Crappy position, and then good position. And the height of your hips will change depending on your level of comfortability, if that's a word, and also your height, whether you are tall or short. So some people like to hex bar deadlift with their hips low, some people like to hex bar deadlift with their hips high. It really goes based on whatever you feel is most comfortable for you to generate the most power to get the bar away from the ground. We're talking about shoulder position next. I'm rounded. Now I'm depressing my shoulders back and down. We talked about that wrinkly shirt. Relaxing here. I'm just trying to give you a good idea of what it looks like to get your shoulders back and down. This is a better position here because you can see the chest out and up, and now I'm down. Out and up, and then this is bad position there, good position. So really depressing those shoulders back and down is a huge part. You don't want to shrug upward. That is like what you don't want to do, is shrugging towards the ceiling or up and back. It is back and down, like I'm going towards the bottom left corner of the screen that you're looking at. Now we have, okay, so these are dead stop resets. So this means every single time, this is a different variation, I'm going to reset, rebuild that tension, and then drive the bar away from the ground. Once again, feet below are below the hips, resetting, setting the shoulders, opening the chest, driving the bar, and always go down with good control, especially if you're a beginner, because you're working on the concentric on the way up, on the eccentric on the way down. The eccentric is a large part of you building a more conditioned and stronger you. So those are dead stop resets. You can obviously rewind if you want to take a look at those again. And then this next version of Trap Bar Deadlift is pause and go. Okay, so this is just pause and go. So we're going to do like a little quarter rep pause, drive. Little drop the hips, reset the shoulders, pause, drive. Some people like to pause for a second, 2, 3. I don't think you really need to pause for more than maybe like 4. It would be kind of a pretty long pause. And it also depends on your load. You can see I deloaded for this one just a little bit. So these are paused Trap Bar Deadlifts. The next version of the deadlift that we're looking at, I believe these are pause touch and goes. So we're gonna pause, quarter up, and then we're gonna drop, touch, maintain tension, finish through the hips, and then I'm going to reset entirely. Stretch out the hamstrings, reset the shoulders, pause, down, touch, drive. Perfect. And you can see that first initial lift is not coming off the ground all that much. I mean, we're talking a couple inches at that. Pause, drop down, drive, finish through those hips. That's pretty much for the tutorial, guys. I give you 4 different types of Trap Bar Deadlifts. You have some touch and goes, you have some dead stop resets, you have some pause, quarter rep pauses, and then you have some pause touch and goes. Thank you so much for tuning in this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, subscribe if you are new around here. I'll see you guys next time.
Is that fun or what? Woo. Oh my god, I always end my vlogs and tutorials completely out of breath. KG, RoughToBeBuffTV, set of 10, Trap Bar Deadlift tutorial in the books. We got set up. Keep the shoulders back and down. You probably already heard all this stuff. Integrity to your spine, feet below your hips. Drive the bar away from the ground, feet into the ground. Hip height will change depending on limb length If you're tall, short, not too wide with the feet. We got dead stops, touch and goes, pause, touch and goes, or excuse me, hold, touch and goes, and then pause reps as well. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog today, KG. RoughToBeBuffTV. Subscribe, like. I'll see you guys next time. Pieces.